Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get pre-approved and pre-qualified credit card and loans offer in your mail and in your email. Yes, so I will show you step by step how you can do that. So bear with me till the end of this video. And there's one question. A lot of people ask me that, hey, we are trying to use your shopping cart trick, but still we are not getting approved for credit card. It means we are not getting the pop-up, so we are not getting approved for those credit cards and loan. If you don't know about shopping cart trick, then let me just tell you in a very short manner that shopping cart trick is a trick where you can get approved for credit cards and sometimes loans with no credit check at all. So it means if you have the worst credit in this entire world, you can still get approved for those credit card or loans. And right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And you already know that we deserve a like on this video, so please like this video as this is the need of YouTube algorithm and it helps this channel grow, and this video will reach to the wider audience as well. So thank you so much. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. So right here, you need to actually do two things. The first thing is that there are two websites, Factor Trust and Opt Out Prescreen. I'm going to tell you how you are going to opt in order to get those pre-approved and pre-qualified offers in your mail and email. And what is Factor Trust and Opt Out Prescreen? Well, these are the services by your credit bureaus such as Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. So what they do exactly when you opt in with that, and what it means by opt-in, you need to give them your information, and it is completely safe and legit because it is from the credit bureaus. So what they do exactly, they periodically review your credit report and then they give you pre-approved and pre-qualified offers in your mail and in your email by reading your credit score and according to it. So what you need to do at first in Factor Trust, you need to open this website right here. I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description so you can click on it and do that. So when you are right here, you need to click on this option right here, opt in. So it says your name will be eligible for inclusion on list used for firm offers of credit or insurance. So yes, that's exactly what it will do. It will start giving you the offers of pre-approvals and pre-qualified credit card and loans and insurances in your mail and in your email. So as soon as you click on it, you need to click submit. As soon as you click submit, this form will open. You need to fill this form, and what you need to do, you need to put your first name right here, your last name, your social security number. Don't worry about it, this is a service from the credit bureau, so of course they will get it and there is no inquiry or anything. They just need your information so they can read your credit report and give you and send you pre-approved and pre-qualified credit card, loans, and lines of credit offers in your mail and in your email. Then you need to put your date of birth right here, your address, and remember your address has to be the same, means your address has to be the current address you're living right now. Your city, your state, your zip code, your email address, and when you do that, just click on confirm and it will be submitted. So this is very simple and straightforward. Now let's go towards the second service. So the second service is optoutprescreen.com. As you can see, this is backed by Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, major credit bureaus. So I'm not going to waste a lot of time here. I'm gonna scroll down and click right here on click here to opt in or opt out. As soon as I click on it, this page will open. All you need to do is you are going to do the same thing as you did with Factor Trust. You need to click on opt in and click continue. As soon as you click on continue, this form will open. This form is actually as same as this factor trust form. So what do you need to do? You need to just put your first name. If you have a middle name, you need to do that. You just fill out your last name, your suffix, your social security number, and date of birth. Remember, it's completely safe. It's a service by the credit bureau, so don't worry about it. Then put the address, your apartment or your suite number, then city, state, zip code, telephone number, and then put the security code, whatever you'll see right there, and then click confirm. So as soon as you do that, you have to wait at least 7 days. Give it a week because that's what they need to update their data. And then right after 1 week, you can use the shopping cart trick. And what shopping cart trick is, the shopping cart trick is for the people who have bad or worse credit, and they can use that trick to get approved for different credit cards and sometimes loans as well. We have plenty of material on this channel when it comes to shopping cart trick, so don't forget to watch those videos. And also remember that right after a week you will start getting the pre-approved and pre-qualified offers in your mail and in your email. But when it comes to the mail, make sure to put the right address right here. And what I mean by right address, your current address. As soon as you put the current address, you will receive the pre-qualified and pre-approved offers guaranteed. And one more thing, that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So please like this video. It helps the channel grow, and it will also help a lot of people who needs to do this step. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video very soon. And remember, $5,000 credit card with no credit check at all, and you will get it if you click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care